When the current Honda Civic arrived for 2022, it made a splash partly thanks to its newly unsplashy exterior styling. Gone was the previous model's anime-like slashes, angles, vents, and more. Replaced by a mature, minimalist look with headlights and taillights designed to mimic those on the larger Accord sedan. Thing is, since the 11th generation Civic's debut, Honda has come out with an all-new Accord, making the Civic's inspiration a little outdated. We figured it was worth imagining what the Civic would look like with more contemporary inspiration. To that end, we've given the Civic a virtual refresh, digitally altering the nose and tail with relatively minor bumper and lighting changes that fit neatly within the confines of the mid-cycle updates automakers typically give their cars halfway through their lives. You know, the nips and tucks here and their cars receive 2 or 3 years after a total redesign, which are meant to freshen the look until the next all-new, totally redesigned version shows up. The Civic's roofline and midsection already look like the new Accords, with clean surfaces and elegant lines. It's the nose and tail that are now out of sync with the larger midsize Honda, and so we adapted the 2023 Accord's new grille, bumpers, and taillights pictured above to the smaller Civic. Those pieces were the most old Accord-like, and most ripe for revision. As you can see, the 2023 Accord's new 6-sided grille and full-width lower intake element are rather easily adapted to the current Civic's front end.